Hi and welcome to my Fusion 360 beginner tutorial. We will do this IKEA key. It looks simple, but there are some things that may be wrong and goes wrong. We have a sweep, and we have a extrude cut, and we have a extrude. We use polygon. Let's do this. We create a new design and name it. We save it to IKEA key. And to do this, the path, we create a sketch, select the plane, and we do two like that and like that. We have that like construction lines. We press the X key and we dimension it like 45, and we can have 60. Then we goes to the L button and do a new line and hold the left key, and we get an arc and release and press again. There we have our path, but we have to add some constraints. We have tangent, and we already got tangent on that one, and we take the D button and we can have 50, and we can have a smaller, we can have 35. Yeah, that's okay. Then we have a black line. It's fully constrained. Finish sketch. There we have the path for the sweep, and we go to construction and we add plane along path. It's not important there, where, but there on the path. And we take accept, okay. And we create a new sketch, select the plane we did, and a circle. And we take 4 millimeters and finish sketch. Then we go to create, sweep, select the profile, and we select the path and look at it. It looks correct. Okay. There we have, it's not very perfect, but it is quite similar. Then we should do the end part. We select the plane like that and create a new sketch. And we should create a polygon, the inscribed polygon, and the center mark to the end part, and finish sketch. We extrude it. No, we extrude cut, so we have to select with control. Hold down control and select the outer part and extrude cut. It could be 10, -10. Okay, there we have the end part. It looks really great. Then we can have select the plane, create a sketch, and we create a polygon, inscribed polygon, the center mark to the end part, finish sketch, and extrude. And we just do a straight extrude, 10 millimeters. and we can go to bodies. We have one body, right click, appearance. My computer is slow, it will appear soon. We have appearance and we can take aluminium, we can take red this time, and we have this IKEA key. It looks almost the same. It's some kind of longer here, but we have our IKEA key, we have bigger radius, but we can fix that. We can go to the first, we can go back to the first part. There we have it. And edit sketch. And we have the radius 15, it's too much. We can change it to 5. No, we take 8. Finish sketch. And we go back. There we have something more similar to the IKEA key like that. We can look at it. So this is my beginner tutorial for Fusion 360. I hope you have learned something new. You have learned sweep, you have learned some constraints, and just take things out in reality and try to do things in CAD. Bye bye, have a nice day.